Hello, my name is Amber LaRock and I am a staff writer with Emergency Vets USA as well as a licensed veterinary technician. Our goal at Emergency Vets USA is to educate you on topics regarding your pet's health. So today we'll be discussing cloudy eyes in dogs. Oftentimes when a dog develops cloudy eyes, most people will just assume it's cataracts or that it's due to old age. And while this can be the case for some dogs, it's not always the case. So today we'll be discussing some of the other common factors that can lead to the development of cloudy eyes in your dog. Before we get started, it's important to mention that any change in your dog's eye appearance should always be checked out by your veterinarian. Some changes in your dog's eye appearance may be completely benign, they may not be painful, and they may not even impact their vision. It's just impossible to know just by looking at the dog's eye ourselves at home. So just in case there is the potential of a serious eye condition that can be painful or cause ultimate blindness if it's not checked out, we always suggest reaching out to your vet from the moment you notice any changes in their eye appearance. So now that you're aware that any changes should always be checked out by your vet, let's get into the most common causes of cloudy eyes in dogs. The first condition on the list is a condition called nuclear sclerosis. This just involves a buildup of fibrous tissue within the eye, and it is completely benign, it is painless, and it does not often impact their vision. The next cause on the list are cataracts. Cataracts in dogs often develop as the result of an underlying illness, whether it is diabetes or even the occurrence of a previous injury. And what cataracts are is a milky lesion that will develop on the eye, and it will eventually spread across the entire lens. This can lead to ultimate blindness if it is not corrected, and it can also lead to significant discomfort in the later stages. The next cause on the list is dry eye. While dry eye itself doesn't typically lead to the white milky lens that we're used to in conditions like nuclear sclerosis or cataracts, what it can do is eventually lead to ulcers, which can cause changes in eye appearance, and it can also lead to significant eye irritation, which could in turn change the appearance of the eye. So dry eye is a potential cause on this list. Next potential cause on the list is glaucoma, which is a medical condition that refers to a high pressure that is in the eye. And this is often a result of the fluid in the eye being unable to drain properly, and in turn, this can result in significant pain for your dog, eventual blindness if it is not treated, and it can also lead to a hazy appearance of the eye as well. So the next possible cause on the list is Panus, and this is an immune-mediated condition of the eye that often impacts German Shepherds, but it can impact any other breed of dog as well. When a dog develops Panus is they will often experience a small pink mass or lesion on the eye, and this mass will continue to spread across the eye until the progression is stopped. This can in turn change the appearance of the dog's eye, and it may cause some people to think that the eye is cloudy. Next potential cause are eye ulcers. Eye ulcers typically occur after some type of injury or irritation to the eye, and these ulcers can, in some severe cases, appear like a tiny white lesion on the eye, and this can in turn make some owners think that their eyes look cloudy. Ulcers are extremely painful for dogs, and an untreated ulcer can lead to significant complications for the dog and potentially blindness as a result. So ulcers should always be checked as soon as possible. And the last potential cause on the list is uveitis, which is basically just inflammation of the uveal tract within the eye. It often develops as a result of other illness. So if your veterinarian fears uveitis in your dog, they may suggest performing diagnostic blood work, having a thorough eye exam performed, and this can potentially help them get to the bottom of your dog's uveitis. For a more in-depth review on cloudy eyes in dogs, be sure to review the article that is attached to this video. But stay tuned to Emergency Vets USA for more topics on pet health.